New York is a city of commuters. With 468 stations, the 24-hour-a-day subway system moves 5.5 million riders on an average weekday. Taking advantage of this immense captive audience, advertising can be found in nearly every station. From the inside of train cars, to the platforms that we wait on, to the turnstiles that we enter through, everywhere in between, advertising turns our daily commute into one giant commercial for the latest products and ideas. Over the years, artists have attempted to take back this public space and our attentions, but the system remains filled with ads. So Re+Public created NoAd, a free mobile app for Android and iOS that digitally replaces subway platform advertising with art. Simply download NoAd to your device, launch the app, point it at an advertisement, and watch the ad transform. We'll start with a group of 50 artists, but in an effort to keep up with a constantly changing ad infrastructure, NoAd will soon begin partnering with independent curators, bringing new and diverse content on a month-to-month basis. We hope NoAd will serve New Yorkers by creating a new exhibition space on top of unwanted advertising, and in the process, change the way you see your daily commute.
So you can look at the ads and see no ad, but yes, art.
I think that's a good idea. Get rid of the advertisements and put more art into the world.